right. So they can see it summing up to the result. But
all right, so should we begin the session, everyone?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
All right, okay. So in the last class, we have seen what all topics we are going to do. In today's session, please mute yourself, mute your mic. All right, I've done it. No problem. So in today's session, we are going to discuss percentage in detail. All right. So tell me, what do you mean by percentage?
Percentage means 100. 100%.
Percentage means 100. All right. Just give me a minute. Yes, percentage means per 100. Okay. Yes, percentage means percent means per. Okay. So when I say 50%, what does it mean?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Very good. So how do we get it? 50 by 100.
50 by 100.
1 by 2. So whenever someone asks me that 50%, find 50% of something, so I will say I will find half of that number, right? Similarly, can you tell me what is 20% in fraction? This is a fraction. What will be 20% in fraction?
20 by 100, 1 by 5.
1 by 5.
1 by 5. So 1/5 of anything will be 20%. Okay. Similarly, can you tell me what is 25%?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Is the voice better now? Can you hear me properly? Alfred? Yes, all right. Okay, so 25% means 25 by 100, that is 1 by 4. So I can say 1 by 4. Okay. If I say 33, 1 by 3%. 33, 1 by 3. My connection is okay, Jacob. Can you check your connection again? Guys, am I audible?
1, ma'am.
33, 1 by 3% is how much? 1 by
1. 1.
No. Think again.
And 100 over 3.
100 over 3. Correct? 100 over 3. Or I can say 1 by 3. 1/3 of anything is 33.33%. Okay. So before getting into all of this, I want you to quickly note down these fractional values. Okay. So these are the fractional values you need to note down. 1 by 1 is 100%. 1 by 2 is 50%. 1 by 3 is 33.33%. Note it down. Keep your mic on mute and note it down. And you can also turn off your camera. Otherwise, you will get a poor quality of sound. Okay, wait a minute. Is
Ma'am?
it better now? Is it visible now? Note it down.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you have shared one link, right, in the comment.
Comment. Yes.
Ma'am, that link is for what? Like, should we log in through the link? Like, log in through Google or any email account?
Go to the very first top of the scroll back and go to the top of the chat. There is a survey. Fill the survey for the study material. So that link you will fill and you will get study material.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Yes. So 1 by 1 is 100%, 1 by 2 is 50%, 1 by 3 is 33.33, or you can write 33 1 by 3. Sumaya, scroll back. Wait, I'll copy it again. Yes, I'll do that. Wait a minute. So you have to fill this form, and once you fill the form, you will get study material. All right. Okay. 1 by 3 is 33.33%, 1 by 4 is 25%, 1 by 5 is 20%, 1 by 6 is 16.66, or I can write it as 16 2 by 3%. 1 by 7 is 14.28, 1 by 8 is 12.50. Note it down.
Ma'am,
Done? Yes.
one
Yes.
more doubt I have.
Yes.
Ma'am, which link you have shared, ma'am, there it's written which country you're from. So, ma'am, should I write which country I'm actually from or which country I stay, like right now?
Okay.
So, ma'am, which should I mark it?
You write it over there, or if it is not there, just leave it or pick anything, because ultimately you need study material. So it doesn't matter from where you are, from which country you are, you just have to mark it over there, right?
Okay.
Everyone done noting all of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's see how to use this. Okay. So we have noted all of these fractions, but we need to know how to use these fractions. Okay. So if I give you a question, Like if I ask you what is 50% of 468, I ask you 20% of 525, 25% of 484, 33.33% of 639. Okay, so solve this first 4 questions. And please do not use calculator. Try to do it by yourself. So as we know that 50% is how much in fraction? 1 by 2, correct? So 1 by 2 of 468. Yes or no? Okay, so let's do the cancellation. So answer is 234. Correct? This was very easy. Try to do the second one. Now look into your list. What is 20%? Look into your list. 20% is 1/5, right? So it means 1/5 of 525. Yes, correct. 1/5 of 525. 5 1 time, 5 1 time, 5 0 time, 5 time. So answer is 105. Correct? Yes, Nihila, your answers are correct. Looks correct. Okay. Third one. How to do third one? Do you know what is 25%? Look into your list.
1 by
Yes.
4.
Check in your list. 25% is what fraction?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Correct. So 1 by 4 of 484.
184.
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are, and then
121.
so 1 to 1. Right? Okay. 33.33%.
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Very good. Solve it.
219.
Please mute yourself. Okay. So this is how we are going to use percentage. Okay, let me give you a few more examples. Let's say I give you let's do this first one and the second one. Now the problem is that these numbers are not there in my list, right? Yes, correct, Akash. The answer was sorry, this is 213. Correct, 213. 639 divided by 3, 213. So in this question, so in this one, what is the problem? The problem is that we do not have these number in our list, right? Do we have these number in our list? Check. 58.33 is nowhere in our list, right? Yes. And 87.5 is also not there in our list. So how to solve this question? So to solve this question, we will break it down. See, we will break it down. How? Can I write 58.33 as 50 plus 8.33? Right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 50% I know what is fraction? 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
And how much is 8.33 in your list? Check in your list. 8.33.
1 by 12.
1 by 12.
12.
It means I can do 1 by 12 here. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 12. Take LCM 12. This will be 6 here plus 1. So 7 by 12. So it means 58.33 is 7 by 12, right? Please keep yourself muted. If I'm talking, please keep yourself muted. Do not. Yes, right. If you do not have anything to say or to ask me, please keep yourself muted. Keep your mic on mute. Yes, so 58.33 is how much? 7 by 12, right? So now I can do 7 by 12 into 1236. Okay, divide it.
Yes, ma'am.
12 one time, 12 one time, 0 time, 3 time. 103 into 7.
Yes.
103 into 7. 103 into 7 means what? Answer is 721. Very good. Answer is 721. Okay. Let's try to break down 87.5. Can I break down 87.5? How can I break down 87.5?
50 plus 37.5.
Very good. 50 plus 37.5. I need to break 37 point further because there is no 37.5 in my list. So can I write 37.5 as 25 plus 12.5? So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 12.8. Check in your list. What is 12.5? Check in your list. What is 12.5?
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Right. So do it. Take LCM. LCM will be 8. 4 plus 2 plus 1. So how much I will get? 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 of into 96.
Eight 4.
Answer is 84. Very good. Right? Okay, let's see more examples. Okay, if I write 41.66% of 864. Try this one. Solve these 3 questions. How can I break down 41.66?
33.33 and
50
8.3.
minus something. Now think 50 minus what? 50 minus something.
50 minus 8.33.
Very good. So I can break down 41.66 as 50 minus 8.33. How much is 50 in our list?
1/2.
1/2 minus how much? 8.33 in your list?
1/12.
1/12. LCM is 12. 6 minus 1, 5/12. It means I can do that 5/12 into 864. Tell me the answer. How much I will get? Divided by 12 first and then
360.
multiply by 5.
360.
Correct. Everyone is getting the correct answer. 72. 5 into 72, 360. Okay. Question number 2. 50 minus how much? 50 minus what? Tell me.
50 minus 37. 50 minus 13.5.
15 minus 12.5. Correct?
One.
1/2 minus 1/8. 1/2 minus 1/8 will be how much?
1/2.
Okay, wait, I'll show you the list. So here is the list. Note down the list first, everyone. Those who have not noted it down, please note it down. Everyone done noting?
The answer is 396.
I'll come to the answer. First, everyone, please note it down. Okay, done noting. Okay, now I'm going back to this.
Yes, we're done noting.
Okay, so LCM is 8, 4 minus 1, 3 by 8, right? So this is 3 by 8 of 1056.
396.
Divide by 8 first. 1056 divide by 8. So I will get 132. 132 into 3.
Yeah.
396, right? Okay. Question number 3. Now look into your list. Is this number directly available in your list? Check your list. 14.28. Yes, it is there. 14.28 is what fraction?
1 by 7.
1 by 7. So So 1 by 7 of 504. 1 by 7 of 504.
I think it is 72.
72, correct? Okay. Here is the question. 14.28% of 504. 1 by 7, that is 1 by 7. 1 by 7 of 504, that is 72. Please mute yourself. Everyone, please mute yourself and close your video. Your video is not required, so you can close your video as well. Okay, moving to the next one. So we now learned that how to calculate percentage of any number, right? So using this table, we can calculate percentage of any number. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So you
Yes.
have to remember this. Over the time, with the time, you will be able to recall this, correct? So it is simple. 50% is 1 by 2. I'm sure you might have remembered it already, correct? Similarly, 33.33% is 1 by 3. So you don't even have to remember this entire list, but up to, I will say, up to 1 by 16, you should remember, correct? This much you need to remember. Okay, so we learned that how to calculate percentage. Okay, what if I ask you to find 22% of 4800? 22% of 4800. So one way of doing is do directly. 22 upon 100 into 4800. 0000 cancelled. 22 into 48. Correct? This is one way of solving it. Another way of solving it is you can break down the question. So how can I break down the question? I will write 20% of 4800 plus 2% of 4800. Right? This is how we can break down the question. We know 20% of 4800 is 20% is how much? 1/5 of 4800. Correct? Now we need to calculate 2% of 4800. So tell me, how do you calculate 10% of any number? If I ask you 10% of any number, let's say I ask you 10% of this, 10% of this, 10% of this, 10% of this, or this. So what will be the 10% of 89? You just put one decimal from the right hand side. So 8.9. 780, so it will become 78. Correct? Last, just take last digit and put a decimal here. So this will become 160, this will become 480, this will become 96.7. Right? This is how you calculate 10% of any number. Correct? If I ask you 10% of any number, you will do, I'm going slow, wait a minute. Yes. So 10% of any number is last digit, put a decimal before that. Please mute yourself. I'm not keep saying this again and again. Okay, if I ask you what is 1% of any number? 1%. So take two digits now. So now it will become 0.89. This will become 0.78. This will become two digits from the end. So two digit is 16. In this 1% is 48. In this what will be 1% is 9.67. Right? So everyone got how to calculate 10% and 1%. Correct? 10% is simply remove the last digit and put a decimal before that. And for 1%, you will take last two digit and put decimal before that. Right? So now tell me, can I calculate 1% of this? What will be 1% of this? 1% of 4800. 48, correct? Yes. So if 1% is 48, what will be 2%?
96.
96. So we calculated this. Calculate this part. $960 plus 96. How much I will get? How much? 1056. Okay. Let me do one more. Okay, we'll do one more example here. Okay. If I ask you 27.5% of, let's take this. Okay. So first of all, I will break down the question, right? I will break down the question. So how can I break down the question? (27.5% of 2400), 25% of 2400 plus 2.5% of 2400. Right? That's how we can calculate. Yes or no? 25 plus 2.5. Okay. How much is 25% means 1/4? Okay. Now how can I write 2.5%? 2% of 2400 plus 0.5% of 2400. Yes. What is 1% of 2400? Tell me what will be the 1% of 2400? 1% is
240.
24.
10%. I know
24.
10% is 240. 1% will be 24. Correct? Yes or no? 10% is 240. 1% is 24.
Correct. Yes,
So
correct.
600 plus 1% is 24. So 2% will be 48.
48.
Correct.
48.
1% is 24. So half percent is how much? 1 I know is 24. So half will be
12.
12. Very good.
12.
So when I add, I will get the answer. Yes, whenever we solve, it is better to break down the number where our list is matching. Correct? So in this list, we can see that there is 50, there is 20, there is 25. So all these round numbers, we can break down the question in, right? So therefore, I'm breaking 27.5 into 20. We can also do 20 plus 7.5. That is also fine, but 25 is much more better. Correct? Okay, let's do one more. Let's do this one. Correct? Yes or no? Tell me.
One over two, 1 by 2.
Okay, 1 by 2. Correct.
Plus 1 by 8.
Very good. Okay, now what is 10% of 10% of this number?
88.
10%.
88.
880.
88.
Not only 88, it will be 880. Only last digit is removed in 10%. So if 10% is 880, so 5% will be how much? Half of it?
440.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
440.
Okay. Now solve this. Simple. Tell me what will be the final answer.
Madam, it's 8,800 on the second one.
Correct.
You've reached 8,000.
5,840. Oh, sorry. In the second one, I've taken wrong. It is 88. Sorry, 88. So it is 1. So 8950. 8940. Now is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's do one more question. Can I write it as 75% of 48400 plus 3.5% of 48400? Now 75% of 48400 plus 3% of 48400 plus 0.5% of 48400. Okay. Now check in your list. Is 75% given to you? Check in your list. Do you have 75%?
No.
No. But you can remember over here that 25% is 1 by 4. 25% is 1 by 4. 75% is 3 by 4. Remember it. Into 3 this side, into 3 this side. So 75% is 3 by 4. Remember it. So 75% is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 of 48400. Okay. What is 10% of this number? 10% is how much?
4840.
4840. Okay. 10% is 4840. 1% will be 484.
84.
Correct? And 3% will be how much? Into 3 this side, into 3 this side. So you will get 3%. 3% is how much?
2,452.
1452. Correct? Okay. You know 1% is 484. So 0.5% means 0.5% will be how much?
242.
42.
242. Correct?
42.
Solve this for 1 time, 4 ones are 4 2 time, 1 time, 00. So I will get 36300 plus 1452 plus 242. How much I will get?
37994.
37994. Right. No, Jacob, you cannot use calculator. We are practicing on it, right? So you cannot use calculator. Yes, so total answer will be how much? Tell me.
3799.
37994,
Oh.
right? This is your final answer. So this is how you will use this table to solve the question. If you are seeing directly something from the list, it is fine. Correct? Directly you are getting something from the list, it is fine. If it is not directly from the list, then you have to break down it and solve it. Okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now we will learn percentage increase and decrease. Okay, so how do you increase something and how do you decrease something? Okay, Jacob will come to that. Don't worry about it. We'll come to that. Okay, percentage increase or decrease. Let's say there is a number X. You want to increase it with 10%. Correct? There is a number X. You want to increase it with 10%. So what will happen? X plus 10% of X, right? Now what will you write? X plus 10. If you remove sign of percentage, you will have to write upon 100. For off, you will write multiply and you write X. Okay. So LCM will be 100. So it is 100x plus 10x is equals to 110x by 100. Correct? Cancel it. So I can 1.1x. Yes or no? Correct? I can write 1.1x.
Yes.
X is increased by 10%. If you're increasing any number by 10%, so this is how you will write X plus 10% of X. X plus 10 divide by 100 into X. When you solve it, you will get 1.1x. Yes or no, everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Wait, I'll explain. Yes. I'll explain it again. Let's say you have 80. You have to increase it by 10%. So what will you do? 80 plus 10% of 80, right? This is how you will write 80 plus 10 by 100 into 80. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So 80 plus 8, 88. Similarly, I am doing the same operation on X. Do the same operation on X.
But ma'am, how can we cancel 0 by 0 when there is an addition sign?
Wait a minute, I'll explain it again. You're increasing X with 10%. Tell me what should I write? You are going to tell me what should I write. I write X plus 10% of X, yes or no? This is what will I write?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Tell me next, what should I do?
Why are you putting plus sign there?
Because you're increasing it. Read the statement again. Percentage increase. When you're increasing X, you're increasing X with 10%. So therefore plus. If it is decrease, you will minus. If it is increase, you will write plus. Correct?
All right.
So that means when it's minus, when it's decreasing, you write minus.
Yes, when it is decreasing, we will write minus.
Okay, the
Because I am
then
doing increase, it is plus. Yes. So X plus 10% of X. 10 upon 100 into x. Yes.
Yes.
Up to here, no one has any doubt.
No.
Okay.
Please, mom. Can you cancel the zero by 0?
Yes, I
That's
will
all.
cancel it. Okay, fine. So this
Okay,
is
then let me.
x plus 1 by 10x, right?
Yes. Yes.
LCM will be 10. So 10x plus x. What will I get?
Sorry.
11x by 10. Yes, correct. So it means I will
1x.
get 1.1x. Correct? Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now coming back to this thing, that if I'm increasing x with 10%, I'm increasing it with 10%, I will get 1.1x, right? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, if I increase it with 20%, it will be 1.2x, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Try and
Yes.
check it.
Will be 1.
Do it yourself. Do it yourself and then tell me whether I'm writing the
Okay.
correct thing or not. Do in the similar manner. Write in the similar manner this. X plus 20%. Do it.
One 1.2x, ma'am.
Yes, 1.2x. Okay, if I increase it with 30%, what will I get? Can you
Okay,
guess
ma'am.
now?
1.3.
1.3.
Very good, 1.3x. If I increase it with 40%, what will I get?
1.4.
1.4.
1.4x. Correct? If I increase it with 50%, what will
1.5x.
1.5.
1.5x.
if I increase it with 5%? Now think, now wait and think. It is not a 2-digit increase, it is single-digit increase. Till now we were doing 2-digit increase, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But now it is single-digit increase. 1.05x. If it is single digit, you will put a 0 in front before after the decimal.
Oh.
Yes, because when you're increasing with 50%, it will become 1. But when you're increasing with 5, it will become 1.05. If you want to try by this method, try it. Do x with 5% and try it and check. Is it clear to everyone now?
Yes, ma'am.
If I increase it with 7%, tell me now, what will I get?
1.07.
1.07.
Very good, very good. If I increase it with 25%,
1.25x.
very good, because it is 2 digits, so I can directly write after the decimal. So is percentage increase clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's making
Now
sense
we will.
now.
It's making sense now, right? Now we will do a question on the basis of this. Okay. Let's do a question. So the question is, let's say the current population of a town. Please mute yourself. If you're not talking, I'm talking right now, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Whoever's mic is open, please mute yourself. Okay. Current population of a town is, let's say, 2 lakh. So there are 2 lakh people staying in a town. Now, each year, the population is increased by 10%. What will be the population after 3 years?
It's 2,60,000.
Wait,
2
I'll
lakhs.
show you what is 2 lakhs. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Like this is 2 lakh. So 2 followed by 5 zeros. No. Do not come to the conclusion directly. Think, wait and think. The current is 2. Current is 2. Each year it is increased by how much? 10%. The question is, what will be the population after 3 years, right? What? No, not anyone. No one is giving me the correct answer. No one is giving me the correct answer. Wait and think. Think about it. Do not come to the conclusion. Fatima, I am telling you, please wait and think. Think.
60,000.
Please do not come to the conclusion. What I am saying to you, please wait and think. So just now I told you, how do we do percentage increase? I just now told you this thing. Correct this chart. Just now I told you this chart. Right? And now we have to work on this. Okay. So how do I work on this? The current is this population. Correct? Each year it is increased by 10%. I know whenever I have to do 10% increase, I will do 1.1, then again 1.1, then again 1.1. Why I have done this 3 times? Can anyone tell me? Why I've written it 3 times? Because 3 years
because
they are
we already
asking.
know
3
that
years.
10%.
Because it increases in 3 years.
Correct. So 2 into 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1. Now try to do it. Someone is using calculator. I can hear the sound of it. Please do not use calculator. So 2 into 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1. No, Fatima, your answer is wrong. Charles, your answer is also wrong. Kenneth, your answer is also wrong.
266,200.
2.662 lakhs is the answer.
Yeah.
The problem is you guys do not have any patience. I told you, wait for a while patiently and then try to solve it. You are not multiplying 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1 and then multiply it with 2. All of you were giving me the wrong answer. A lot of you were giving the answer as 2.6. No, 2.6 is the wrong answer. 2.662 is the right answer. Correct?
All right.
Okay.
So can you do to the nearest?
Sorry?
Can't you do to the nearest? If you put 2.7, is it wrong?
Yes, 2.6 is wrong, no? Because each year it is increasing.
I mean, I mean, if you put to the nearest, as you put 2.7.
No, they will
like-
give you options like this. They will not give you options like this.
Okay,
The
got you.
correct answer option will be 2.662. Okay,
Okay.
let's do one more example like this. The current price of gold is 50,000 per gram. Okay, 50,000 per gram is the. No, Jacob. First year it will increase by 20,000. Correct. Now the new population for that year will become 2,20,000. Now increase on overall of this, not only on 2 lakhs, the increase will be on 2,20,000. So next year it will be slightly more. So therefore that 0.662 is coming now. That is because of that. Is it clear now, Jacob?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So let's go back to the question. Yes, current is this. First year,
Z per 100 grams.
it is,
Per.
forget this per thing. Let's say the current price of a gold, current price of a piece of a gold is 50,000. First year it is increased by 5%. Second year it is increased by 10%. Third year it is increased by let's say 20%. Now try to do it. Go back to your chart. This increase, decrease, that increase chart, na, this is very important. Go back to this chart. And based on this, solve this question.
Five to 500.
69,003.
Then 5.
50,000 into 1.05 into 1.1 into 1.2. That's it from our chart. This chart. 5% increase, this. 10% increase, this. 20% increase, this.
$69.3.
Calculate it and tell me the answer.
69.3.
Okay.
I'm finding 69,300.
I will multiply all this 3 together. So I'm getting 1.386. And now I will multiply it with 50,000. 69300 Is it clear to everyone? I'm not able to hear you. Everyone, please check your answer, whether it's correct or not.
It's correct.
It's correct answer. It's correct, ma'am.
Correct? Everyone got it? All of you?
Can I get the conversion chart again?
Check your answer, everyone. Some of you have written wrong answers in the comment section.
Madam, kindly asking for the conversion chart.
Sorry?
Kindly asking for the chart.
Can you write it? I'm not able to hear you properly. Chart. Okay, that chart. Na? Wait, I'll show you the chart. Here is the chart.
All right, thank you.
Okay. So this was your chart of percentage increase, correct? Everything is increasing in this chart. Okay, now let's look into percentage decrease. Percentage decrease. Okay, so X is a number. If I decrease it with 10%, what will I get? Now you guys have to solve and tell me. I am not solving it. I told you how to do increase plus. Now you have to tell me what will I do. If I decrease by 10%, what will I get?
0.9x.
Guys, please keep yourself muted and write in the comment section. It is easier. Correct? X minus 10% of X. Very good, Hamid. Very good, Nihila. Very good, Rajnikant. Yes, Musa. Yes, so I will get 0.9x. Yes or no? Very good. Okay, if I decrease it with 20%, 0.8x. If I decrease it with 30%, keep yourself muted, 0.7x. If I decrease it with 40%, 0.6x. So basically what you're doing 100 minus that number. 100 minus 10, I am getting 90. So 0.90x. 100 minus 30, 70. So 0.7x. 100 minus 40, 60, 0.6x, correct? If I decrease it with 5%, 100 minus 5, 95. So 0.95x. Correct? 100 minus 7. If I decrease with 7%, 100 minus 7, 93. So 0.93x. Yes. Is the chart clear to everyone? Decrease. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
I'm still, I'm confused.
Sorry, you're confused. Where? Tell me.
You said 40% decreases will give you 0.06
0.6.
x.
0.6x. You can write 0
40.
afterward or not, it doesn't matter. After the decimal, whatever zeros after the number, it is not significant.
Okay.
Let's see an example for it. The current price of a scooter is, let's say, 60,000. Each year, the price depreciate by 10%. Find the price after 2 years. Each year the price decrease by 10%. Find the price after 2 years.
$60,000.
60,000 into 0.9 into 0.9, right? Yes or no? First year 10% decrease, then second year 10% decrease. So for first year decrease 0.9, second year decrease 0.9, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Answer will be
the answer will be 60,000.
everyone check your answer. Anjali, check your answer again.
Yes, ma'am.
Amit, check your answer again. Yes, now you're getting it correct. So the final answer will be 60,000 into 0.9 into 0.9, 0.81, and you multiply it with this 60,000. So you will get 48,000, right?
Yeah, 40,000.
Correct?
48,602.
Right. Mute yourself, everyone. Please mute yourself. Okay. So from this, what we have learned? We have learned two things. One is price increase and price decrease, correct? And we will be able to handle all the question which is based on price increase or price decrease, correct? Percentage increase or percentage decrease. So all this type of question, the current price, the current population of a town will be given to you, or current price of something will be given to you, and in the question they will mention you whether it is increase or decrease and by what percentage, correct? So sometimes they can give you same percentage increase decrease. In sometimes they can say that like this. They can give you questions like this, that first year 5%, second year 10%, third year 20%. So depending on the data, you will solve the question, right? Clear to everyone? Okay, let's solve some questions. Solve this one. Very easy question. Tell me the answer. We have done this. We have noted in our list. Check your list. Yes, Nihila, correct. Yes, Charles. Yes, Anjali. Correct, Alfred. Correct. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. So in our list, what is 16.66 or 16 2 by 3? That is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is this percentage, right? So correct answer is option B. Please mute yourself. Okay. Question number 2. Can I break it down? One by 4 plus 1 by 8. Correct. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. Answer is 300. 6 8s are 48. 100 into 3, 300. Correct? Everyone got it? Anyone has any doubt in this question?
Kriya, ma'am.
Yes? Done.
Madam,
Yes, yes, tell me.
is it possible to use 50 minus 12.5?
Yes, you can write it 50 minus 12.5 as well. 50 minus 12.5. So 50 will be how much? 1 by 2 minus 12.5 is 1 by 8. LCM will be 8. 4 minus 1, 3 by 8. Still you will get the same thing. See, whatever thing you are getting it here, you will get by that also. So whether you do 37.5, whether you write it as 25 plus 12.5, or you can write it as 50 minus 12.5. Same meaning. You will get the same answer.
Thank you very much.
Do this. Yes, Anjali. Yes, Wilbert. Yes, Arva. Correct answer. Yes, yes. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Okay. What are they asking me? M upon N. So what is M value? M value is 3 by 10 Q. What is N value? 1 by 2 P. Correct. But I know what is P value. P value is, I can take this 5 on this side. So P value is 5Q. I will write 5Q here. Q cancelled. 3 by 10 upon 5 by 2. So 3 by 10 into 2 by 5. 2 ones are 2 fives are 3 by 25. Everyone got it? All right. Okay, I'll explain it one more time. Did you write these equations here? Write down these equations here. Then write M is equals to how much? 3 by 10 Q. Q will be how much? 1 by 5P. N will be how much? 1 by 2P. And then put values in here because they are asking you value of this expression M upon N. So put those value over there. You will get the answer. Done? Next question. Okay, before doing this question, I will explain you certain things. Let's do this question. Let's do this question. Oh, wait a minute. Just a minute. I'll give you a better question to do. This question.
Mom, should we do this one?
It's A.
It's option A. Everyone getting the correct answer, same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Option A.
Okay. So
Yeah,
the
it's option
population
B.
is This, it is increased by 10% first year, so 1.1, and increase by 20% means 1.2, right? 1.1 into 1.2.
23,760.
1.32 into this. 23760. Option A. Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do one more question. Let's say the length of a rectangle is increased by 10% and breadth of this same rectangle is increased by 20%. Find the percentage increase in area. Okay, I'll explain it to you, but first you try to do this question. Length of a rectangle is increased by 10%, breadth is increased by 20%. Find the percentage increase in area. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Try to do this question. Yes, everyone tell me the answer. See, a few of you got the concept. I'll tell you how.
Great.
Yes, a few of you got the concept. So, this is your rectangle. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Okay, let me explain it. See, let's say this is length and this is breadth. So, what will be area? Length into breadth, right? Okay. Now they are saying, question is saying length is increased by 10%. So L will become how much? 1.1 L. And breadth will become how much? 1.2 B. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So what will be area now?
L
1
into B.
into 1.2, that is 1.32 LB. So earlier it was LB, and now the new area will become 1.32 LB. Correct? So how do you find percentage change? Final value minus initial value upon initial value into 100. This is your final value. This is your initial value. Put the values in this formula. This is your formula. Final value, initial value. Put it in it. Correct, Nihila?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will you get? Put it in that formula and solve it.
Which one is the initial value?
This is initial. Earlier, originally, this was the area. This is your original. And this is your final. So, final value minus initial value upon initial value into 100. Take out LB. LB will be common. LB upon LB will be cancelled out. So 1.32 minus 1. So 0.32. 0.32 into 100. No, Anjali, not correct. Tell me what will be the final answer? 32, right? Everyone got it? If I solve it, what will I get? 1.32 minus 1 into 100. So 0.32 into 100. That is 32%. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there's a shortcut for this. The good thing is there's a shortcut for this. You don't have to do this entire long method. The shortcut is, now listen to me carefully. The shortcut is A plus B plus AB by 100. A is first percentage change. B is second percentage change. So what is our first percentage change? 10. Yes or no? It was increased by 10.
Yes.
And it is second is increased by 20. So
Yes.
A is plus 10, B is
10%.
plus 20. Put this value in this. $10 plus 20 plus 10 into 20 by 100. So 10 plus 20, 30 plus 2, 32%. Right? So the shortcut is much more better. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, it's much more better.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is more better.
Please mute yourself. So just directly put everything in the formula. That's it. This is your standard formula. What is the question saying? 10% increase in length, 20% increase in breadth. Put those value here. You will get the answer. Okay. Let's do one more example like this. Question is, length of a rectangle is increased by 20%. Now pay attention. But breadth is decreased by 10%. Find the percentage change in area. A plus B plus AB by 100. What is value of A? Plus 20. What is value of B? Minus 10. Do not forget the sign, minus 10. So 20 plus minus 10 plus 20 into minus 10 by 100. Yes, everyone is giving me the correct answer. So 20 minus 10 is 10 minus 2, that is 8%. So finally the area is increasing by 8%, correct? Overall there is an increase because 8 is coming positive, correct? Plus 8. So it means the area is increased by 8%. But where did we get the negative 10? Because question has said it. The length is increased by 20%, breadth is decreased by 10%. Therefore, it is minus 10. Because in question is, Omar, please join the class in the beginning. Now you are joining, you will not be able to understand. We have done a lot of concepts. We have done basic percentage calculation. Then we have done percentage increase and decrease as well. And now we are working on this shortcut. So please join the class at the beginning. Negative 10. Why we are getting negative 10? Because in question it is mentioned. Now read the question. Length of rectangle is increased by 20%. Breadth of the rectangle is decreased by 10%. Therefore, you were getting negative minus 10. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Umar, you can get the recording of class. Wait a minute. I'll find it out and give it to you. Try to do this one. Yes, you can find it on YouTube. Correct. So the recording of this class will be on YouTube. You will find it on YouTube. The exam will be in the month of July. So the notification is not out yet. It will be out soon. Yes, tell me.
Hello, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm good. Tell me, what is it about?
Ma'am, you said yesterday that you will discuss what you are teaching from the website or the book you are teaching.
Yes.
And open the WhatsApp group.
Yes. WhatsApp group will not be possible. You have to write mail to the step up learnings. Okay. So whatever doubts you have, write down it into the mail and you will get your answer.
Please give me your email ID.
Okay, I'll give you.
And ma'am, please say to me what's the teaching and the website or book.
Wait, I'll give you the link to the I have already shared it in this. Wait a minute, I'll share it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, everyone is giving me the correct answer. See, here is the link. Wait a minute. Here is the link. So you fill this registration form, this form, and you will get study material. Okay, side of a square is increased by 20%. Find the percentage change in area. Okay, what is area formula?
L square.
Side square. So x into x. So it means again, I can use the same formula a plus b plus ab by 100. Where a and b are same because it's the same side, right? So it means 20 plus 20 plus 20 into 20 by 100. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone was getting the same answer. Answer is 44, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's solve this question. Everyone getting the answer? Okay, a student has to obtain 33 marks of the total passing marks. Okay, so from here I can say that passing mark is 33% of total marks. Correct? This is my first equation. Right? He got 125 marks and failed by 40 marks. It means what is the passing mark? 125 plus 40? 165, because if he gets 165 marks, he will pass. So I will put this value in this equation. So 165 is equals to 33 by 100 into T. T is equals to 165 into 100 by 33. Solve it. The sound is not clear. Is it clear now? Is it better now? Someone's mic is on. I have muted all of you. Is it better now? Yes. So solve it and tell me the answer. 11 3 times, 11 15 times, 500. So answer is option B, 500. Correct? Yes. Okay, let's do one more concept today. We have time, or we are running out of time. We'll do this concept in the next class. Okay. Wait a minute. Yes, we'll do it in the next class. So we have done first class of percentage today, right? So first class of percentage is done. What all we have learned today? We learned the calculation. We learned the reciprocals, correct? Percentage into fraction and fraction to percentage, correct? Vice versa. We have learned both the thing. We know how to convert percentage into fraction and fraction into percentage, right? Okay. Second thing what we have learned this list. Okay, this is very, very important. All of you, please remember this. Please remember this list. Okay, this will help you to solve questions faster. You will be able to solve question in the much more faster manner if you remember this list. You don't have to do lot of calculation, right? If you remember this list, if you remember what is 14.28, 14.28 is 1 by 7. So you can directly divide the number by 7, right? Yes. So second thing what we have learned today, that fraction to percentage, percent into fraction. Second most important thing that you have to remember it. Remember the list. Okay. Third thing what we have learned percentage increase and decrease. So all the questions which involve increase or decrease, whether population, whether price, wherever you have to increase and decrease anything, you can use this logic. Fourth, we learned shortcut. What is the shortcut? The shortcut is A plus B plus AB by 100. This shortcut is applied at various levels. I will tell you in the next class. So today we have applied this shortcut where to find the area of the rectangle percentage. Second, for the square, correct? We will use the same shortcut for discounts also. When we will study discount, we will learn this as well, right? I don't know, calculator will not be allowed in the exam. There will be no calculator allowed in the exam. So that's why I'm telling you that that's why you have to learn how to do the calculation fast. That's why it is very important to remember fractional value. Okay. So in the next class, we are going to discuss the second thing. Umar, you can get the recordings on YouTube. Okay, please everyone, just hold on a second. I will quickly get back to you. Just give me a minute. See YouTube and Step Up channel. Okay, wait a minute. I'll write it down. Step Up. So check on YouTube. Okay. Also fill that survey form. You will get, I've given this
Ma'am,
survey
please
form
give
here.
me your personal email ID, please.
Oh, sorry, that is not allowed actually. It is not allowed for me to share my personal ID. I will give you the company's email ID. Just wait for a minute. Everyone check this link is stepuplearning.net. Okay, check this. You will get all the data over there. Free material is also available over there. Go and check. Wait, I'll show you. Just hold on a second. I'll show you. So see here, when I put a step up, see this first one. Now see here, SII Scholarship Exam. So you will get free material. Yes. Yes, tell me.
Please tell me from which website or books you are teaching.
I am teaching from this website only. See here, all the material you will find it over here.
Who is the website, ma'am?
See over there. I have shared this one. See on your screen. Can you see this? Step up solutions. See free content zone, free material. If I go to now free material, it's first one. PRAGATII SII Scholarship Exam, the first one. See mock test, number system, practice paper. So you will find everything over here in this. Also, you can check free material. Wait a minute, I'll show you. So if you go to this, wait a minute. See in this percentage and averages. So you'll find a lot of question on this. Wait, this is the website. Check here. What you guys can do, you can create your own WhatsApp group, all of you, and then you can share resources among each other, right? So any one of you create a WhatsApp group and you can share resources with each other. This is the website. I'm putting the link in the chat box. I've put the link in the chat box. See? All right, guys. See you in the next class. So in the next class, tomorrow you do not have any class. Wait a minute. Let me check the schedule. No, tomorrow you have class. Just a minute. Let me check.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
All right. Yes, tomorrow you do not have any class. Thursday you have class, right? So Thursday you will have class. All right. Thank you, everyone.
Madam, before you go,
Yes.
can we ask questions about the admission, the scholarship, and everything?
Everything will be done in, I think next week we are going to conduct a class for, especially for this, where you will be guided that how to fill the form, where, like, what exam you have to write, how do you write it. Everything will be taken care of next week.
All right. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.